Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you guys this guy named Chef James Martin. He travels all around America to try new desserts and yeah. The first thing that is the churro cheesecake donut cookies. And um he's a really great chef and he travels to around America, just in America, not anywhere else. But yeah, he is a really great chef, and you should go and watch his videos because he travels to around in America, like try the cakes and stuff, and he he tries cakes to try them out and make them and stuff. And yeah, this is the churro cheesecake donut cookie. This is the chocolate lava cake, a sweet symphony on your plate. Mango sticky rice pudding tower, a tropical delight. Caramel popcorn chocolate dome, a crunchy, creamy delight. I recommend you guys go to his website and check out his videos and check out what he does and check out his website. It's so cool, but I haven't been on his website before, but I would guarantee you'll definitely love his videos because this guy is really a great chef. I know there's many other chefs around the world, um but he's a really great chef, so just want to let you guys know he is. So you should watch the Baking British show and the Chef James Martin one and stuff. It's really awesome. I guarantee you'll really love his videos and the British Baking Show, which is on Netflix, by the way. So it's good. Bacon wrap pesto chicken rolls. Like this guy is really famous though. And I guaranteed you should definitely check out his videos and his website. It's so cool, his videos. Like, he travels around in America to try out some desserts and make them and stuff. It's really cool. So, yeah. Crispy onion rings drizzled with spicy mayo. And his name is Chef James Martin, and he's a really great chef. and I really like him, so he does really great stuff. And he's a really great chef and a really cool person to like to watch, and I guaranteed you'll absolutely love him and his um episodes and his shows. Um I just hope you guys will enjoy this um his shows and stuff because he's a really great chef and he does travel around in America and he tries new desserts and he tries um everything and stuff, and he also travels to like different areas in I think the United States. Yeah. So like yeah, he's a really great chef and I guaranteed you should try and check out his videos and his website and watch the British Baking Show. It's pretty cool. I'll link the website below so that way you guys can know where to go and stuff. If you want to watch Chef James Martin um his videos and stuff, I'll link it below. I'll link the descriptions below. That way you guys can find it and find the link to it. And I'll go and it'll take you there to the videos of all his videos of the things that he makes and the things that he tried and stuff. It's so cool. Loaded potato waffles with Sindent topping. Because this is like all of his um foods and stuff. It's really good. I guarantee it, he's a really great chef you ever seen. Cheesy chicken broccoli bakes. Because I know no one ever seen his shows before. Not in the entire world had ever seen his shows, but I guaranteed you will love his shows and love the British Baking Show. It's so cool. Strawberry crumble donut with vanilla cream. Cheesy steak fries. Because these are all of his foods that he posted on Facebook and stuff. And I guaranteed you'll enjoy his recipes and stuff. It's so amazing. Caramel apple cheesecake. Peppercorn steak with creamy sauce. I'll show you guys a couple more, and later on I will show you the video of it, and I'll link the descriptions below so that way you guys can go and see it for yourself. I guaranteed you will enjoy his videos and the British Baking Show. If not, that's okay. If you don't have to. Like, if you want to, you don't have to. But I just wanted to know, like, I just want people to, like, go and to watch the British Baking Show because I have. It's a really great show, and people make, like, um, they bake and they make stuff. They make, like, cookies or something, any kind of dessert you would ever seen in the British Baking Show. It's awesome. I guaranteed you'll enjoy it. And it's on Netflix. If you don't have Netflix, that's okay, but I'll link the Netflix description below. That way, if you don't have Netflix, then it's okay. You can like look at in the description below. I'll put it in below and stuff. Classic French toast with whipped cream. This is his foods and stuff because he travels to around in America and stuff. His name is Chef James Martin, and yeah, he's a really great chef. Blueberry cheesecake rolls. I'll show you guys a picture of him in just a second and stuff. That way you'll know who he is and um why he likes doing his job and going around the America and seeing things and trying new foods and making them. It's pretty cool. He's a really cool chef. Let me go. That's him right here. His name is Chef James Martin, and he travels around America. He's a really great chef. And yeah, like I said, he's a really great chef, and I guarantee you will enjoy his videos and the British Baking Show. And that's all I want to share for you. And till next time, remember, keep moving forward and hero up. And like I said earlier, his videos is really amazing, and you should try making them and watch the British Baking Show. And yeah, till next time, hear up and peace.